Did you know our world is filled with hidden behaviors, strange abilities, and natural wonders that most people have never heard about? From animals that sleep in seconds to oceans that whisper signals across thousands of kilometers, nature works in surprising and mysterious ways. These rare and fascinating facts reveal how much is happening around us that we still don't fully understand and how incredible the planet truly is. 1. Some animals sleep in micronaps, lasting only seconds. Many animals, especially giraffes, don't rely on long, deep sleep cycles like humans do. Instead, giraffes take extremely short naps that last only a few seconds at a time. These micronaps happen constantly throughout the day and night. Their brain quickly resets during each tiny nap, allowing them to stay alert. This sleep style helps giraffes survive in predator-filled environments. These rapid naps allow them to stay constantly aware of danger around them. 2. Dolphins sleep with only half their brain at a time. Dolphins can't fully sleep because they need to come up for air consciously. So, one side of their brain enters sleep while the other stays awake and alert. They alternate these halves every few hours. This allows them to rest without ever becoming completely unconscious. It's one of nature's most advanced survival adaptations. This unique method keeps them safe in a world where full sleep could be deadly. 3. Elephants have the shortest sleep time of any mammal. Wild elephants sometimes sleep less than 2 hours a day and often take short naps while standing. Lying down makes them vulnerable to predators, so they avoid deep sleep. Their huge bodies and constant movement reduce their need for long rest cycles. They often travel at night and rest during quiet moments. Their minimal sleep doesn't affect their strong memory or intelligence. Their ability to function with so little sleep still amazes scientists today. 4. Migrating birds sleep while flying. Some birds, like the frigate bird, can sleep during long flights without stopping. They use unihemispheric sleep, where half the brain rests while the other half controls navigation. This allows them to glide for thousands of kilometers without collapsing from exhaustion. They often sleep in short bursts lasting only a few seconds. Even while asleep, they maintain direction and avoid collisions. This adaptation helps them survive some of the longest migrations on Earth. 5. Jellyfish sleep even though they have no brain. Jellyfish don't have a brain, yet they show patterns that look like sleep. Their bodies slow down, movement decreases, and they respond less to stimuli during this state. At night, they pulse their bells more slowly, which functions like rest. When disturbed, they bounce back into motion slowly, just like a sleepy organism. This challenges the idea that sleep requires a brain. Their behavior suggests that rest may be a universal biological need. 6. Seals switch between two different sleep styles. Seals have an amazing ability to change their sleep behavior depending on where they are. On land, they enjoy regular sleep cycles just like humans, but in the ocean, they switch to half-brain sleep to avoid drowning and watch for predators. Their body automatically decides which sleep mode to use. It's one of the most flexible sleep systems found in nature. This flexibility allows them to thrive both on land and in the sea. 7. Rivers that travel backwards for a few minutes every day. Some rivers briefly reverse their flow due to powerful tides pushing inland. When the moon's gravity aligns perfectly, the rising seawater forces the river to move backward. This creates a rare phenomenon called a tidal bore. Fishermen living near these rivers see water running in the opposite direction like a rewinding video. The backward flow lasts only minutes before returning to normal. This unusual behavior shows how strongly the moon influences our planet's waters. 8. Plants that glow brighter when they hear thunder. Certain bioluminescent plants become more active when they detect low-frequency thunder vibrations. Their glow increases as a natural stress response to approaching storms. Scientists believe this helps them attract pollinators before heavy rain begins. Villagers in remote areas say these plants light up more during stormy nights. It's one of nature's quiet warning systems. Their glowing reaction may be an ancient survival mechanism tied to changing weather. 9. Animals that can change their heartbeat to communicate. Some species, like certain frogs and birds, can alter their heartbeat rhythm to send signals. These patterns help them warn others, attract mates, or show dominance. Other animals nearby can sense the vibrations through the ground or water. This creates a silent language based on pulse changes. It's one of the rarest communication methods in the animal kingdom. This hidden communication shows how deeply animals interact beyond sound and sight. 10. Flowers that trick. Insects by imitating moonlight. A few night-blooming flowers reflect light in a unique pattern that mimics moonlight. This illusion attracts insects that travel using lunar glow. The insects mistake the flower's reflection as a safe direction to fly toward. As they land, they unknowingly help the flower pollinate. Nature uses deception beautifully to survive. This clever trick increases their chances of reproduction during the night. 11. Trees that grow faster when they smell fire far away. Some trees release special chemicals when they sense smoke from distant fires. These chemicals tell the tree to grow new bark or strengthen its trunk. The early warning helps them prepare long before the fire reaches them. Forests with this ability recover quickly after disasters. It's like they have a built-in survival instinct. This response helps entire ecosystems endure harsh wildfire seasons. 12. Mountains that shift a few centimeters while you sleep. Tectonic plates constantly move, causing entire mountains to shift tiny distances overnight. You won't feel the movement, but GPS trackers record it happening. Some peaks change position by several centimeters every month. Over millions of years, this movement reshapes continents. Mountains look still, but they're quietly traveling. Their slow movement proves that Earth is always changing, even when it seems still. 13. Oceans that whisper low frequency, sounds only animals can hear. Deep underwater, the ocean produces natural low-frequency vibrations called sound whispers. Humans can't hear them, but whales and sharks use them to navigate. These sounds travel thousands of kilometers through water. Scientists believe marine animals use them like an underwater map. It's a communication network we barely understand. These whispers form a hidden soundscape that guides life across the seas. 14. Insects that navigate using the temperature of starlight. Some tiny insects detect the faint heat coming from distant stars. It's extremely weak, but enough for them to maintain travel direction at night. Instead of using visible light, they follow temperature gradients in the air. This ability helps them migrate without getting confused by artificial lights. It's one of the most sensitive navigation systems ever discovered. Scientists believe this skill evolved as a survival tool for long night environments. These insects can navigate even on moonless nights when most animals lose their sense of direction. Their sensitivity to temperature makes them some of the best natural navigators in the world. 15. Hidden lakes that form inside mountains after heavy rain. Inside some mountains, deep cracks fill with rainwater and form secret lakes. These lakes can appear and disappear depending on the season. They remain completely hidden from the outside world. Explorers occasionally find them when cave systems open after landslides. They are some of Earth's most mysterious temporary landscapes. Some of these lakes stay trapped for years before draining back into underground channels. Their water often becomes unusually clear due to filtered seepage through stone. These hidden lakes reveal how much of Earth's inner geography still remains unexplored.